Hello, welcome to BoloForms. Today I will drive you towards a new feature that has been added by BoloForms, which is very helpful in a situation where you forgot to write the email address of a recipient before, but you can do it afterwards with a single click. I will tell you how you will do it. Firstly, we have to click on PDF creation option. Then you have to upload your file from your system. I'm uploading a sample file. Then we have to fill in all the required information. Firstly, the recipient's name, the recipient's email address. Now a situation can arise like I forgot to email someone, I forgot to write the email address of one more recipient. I can do it afterwards. Let's see how we will do that. We'll write the email subject. Done. We will click on confirm. As you can see, my sample file has been uploaded. I will click on the signature field. I will adjust it according to the required position. Then I have to add that one more recipient's email address. How can I do it? I just have to click on this manage recipient option. Here it is. I can enter. I will send it to BoloForm only as a sample. I've written their email address. I will just click on enter and the role has been added successfully. You can set the signing order as well according to your document and it is done. We just have to click on send and it will send to the required recipients. Thank you.